Hello everyone, welcome to Make Draft and Strength. Today we are going to start a new object on isometric projection. This is our fourth problem on isometric projection. So in this problem you can see the O and O dash is given, that is the origin of the object, and the total length of the object it is 100, width it is 60 that you can see in a top view, and the height it is 50 in the front view. Okay, so with these dimensions you have to draw the isometric box, so your isometric object will get fixed in that box. Okay, very simple object. There is one half circle is there and the inclined rib, and at the base there is one slot. So let's start our actual construction. So let's start. To start isometric drawing, first of all draw one horizontal line, mark origin O, and in the problem O and O dash, that is origin is given at the right side, so the 100 mm length should be at the left of the origin. So draw 30 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree axis. So at the right side, at the left side of the origin, mark 100 mm length. At the right side, mark 60 mm width, and at the 90 degree mark height 50, and complete the box. Actually the isometric drawing, it is one of the easiest chapter to score full marks. If you are average in drawing, you can still get full marks, so just do practice of more problems. So here our isometric box is get complete. So let's start with the base. The base height it is 20, so mark 20 at vertical line and draw the base. At the start with a very light lines, so these are just for a construction lines, so light first and dark later. This is the rule for isometric projection. Okay, so again next move towards the column. So there is one 30 by 60 column, so mark 30 from the corner and draw vertical and the horizontal line, the lines which are parallel to the 30 90 30 axis. Okay, so first I draw the faint lines to build the constructions. Now I am darkening only the required edges, so the object you can clearly see, and the object is very clear by darkening the lines. So don't dark first, draw first faint lines and after that darken it. This channel is fully exam oriented. Everything I teach is designed to help you score marks and make your concept clear. So if you find this helpful, so please subscribe to my channel. So here you can see or imagine our object. So there is one semicircular cut. The radius of this semicircle it is 15, or 15 is given. So to draw the ellipse or the semicircle in isometric projection, we always follow one method, that is the 4 center method. So to draw that, you have to draw one rhombus. Each side of the rhombus it is equal to the diameter of the circle. So here the diameter it is 30. So mark 15 15 at the both side of the edge. So our rhombus will get complete, and each side of the rhombus it is 30 30. Okay, next join the longer diagonal, then join the midpoint of the edges to the corner of the shorter diagonal. So you know this method very well, and draw the semicircular cut. So here our semicircle is get complete. So draw the edge lines which are visible in a top view, and draw one vertical lines so you can imagine the 3D object, 3D view. Okay, so next move towards the rib. So the rib thickness it is 10 mm. So at the center point mark 5 mm 5 mm at the both side and draw that rib. Nothing is difficult. It is very easy to draw the isometric objects. You can get full marks easily. Just do practice at home. So here our rib is get complete. One last remaining part, it is a slot. There is one slot and the angle is given, it's 45. First of all, the 20 distance is given from the origin. So mark 20 first, then 30 as shown in front view, then angle 45 degree. So with the use of protractor, just mark 45 degree. So here I mark 45 degree at the both side and draw that inclined lines, and the height of that slot it is given from the base, it is 10. So mark 10 mm. So here the two inclined lines at 45 degree, and mark 10 mm from the base and draw the line. So here our slot is get complete. So here our fourth problem on isometric projection is get complete. So if you like this kind of content related to engineering subject, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.